Here's some big news from Omega. The award-winning HANI high-accuracy non-invasive clamp temperature sensor is now available for measuring in-pipe fluid temperatures in plastic pipes. Previous models of the HANI have only been available for metal pipe applications, but our newest model in the HANI lineup features the same easy installation and high accuracy, but they're now available for plastic pipe applications. With Omega's proprietary algorithm, HANI sensors do what few even thought was possible, installing in seconds like a surface sensor, while offering the fast response times and high accuracy of invasive immersion sensors. And with our newest model, the HANI is the only non-invasive sensor on the market capable of measuring in-pipe media temperatures through plastic pipes. Upgrade to a HANI high-accuracy non-invasive clamp temperature sensor for the plastic pipes in your system, and lower the total cost of ownership and eliminate chemical compatibility risks without having to sacrifice accuracy or performance. Visit omega.com to find out more.